training to see if I can make it into the, what's it called, the black rock facility. And last time I was bleeding, literally. Oh yeah, I'm on the opposing side. Okay, I'm ready. What? No, that gives them plenty of time to see me. that's mostly the best one to have. Yeah, but it's easily gonna spot me. He's not gonna, if I go into the gate and make it. No, I didn't instantly see him. He was going to come out and I would bank this way, and then I would hide around here. Jump above these things so he doesn't see me. Take the hard drive. Like a boss. Go out here. Oh, I uploaded it? Dude, don't watch it since you're a part of it. You're a part of Mission to the Moon, so you'll find out where my base is. Seriously? Then where's my base?
Okay.
Yeah, but my base is hidden. Like really hidden. You won't get into it with me.
I'll be back again.
And you can't destroy other people's bases. It's not like that. If you look hard enough, you would be able to find it easily. I'm just waiting for you to find out where, be like, oh. Because you're watching the video right now. Okay, so you're just gonna find it like right away. Actually, I don't think we made the base in the first episode. What are you doing? Dude, go back to the part.
What are you doing over here?
This is where I start.
Why did we go over here?
Yeah, but now he knows where this is. Now he's gonna be easily gonna be able to find it.
Wait, you never did any of this for me.
Can I just stop from the gate, please? I don't like the gate block. Wait, you allowed the puppy guard the area? I didn't know that. Well, the only reason why you would is because you're. You know what? Frick it. You know what? I don't even freaking care anymore. I don't want to be part of this facility. Well, because it's freaking stupid. I don't. Like, seriously? What you're doing is you're camping at the base, which I didn't do at all. Because
You could have just came in and told me, because you would have gotten a first head start.
Yeah, but you said the goal is not to be spotted. You are gonna get spotted no matter frickin' what if you camp at the if you camp at the place.
Dude, you were allowed to be spotted at the end, but he was recommending you wouldn't get spotted.
Still freaking stupid. Like seriously? Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter now. I'm already out of the game. Sometimes the businesses just piss me off. Okay, I'm ready. That's where I was before. Can I at least get like a 10-second head start? No, like, can I get a 10-second head start to get into the gate? Oh, I see now. Lag like crazy. I'm lagging so bad right now. On my screen I'm out. On my screen I'm out. I was like, on my screen I'm out. It's not gonna kill me. Boom. Ugh. My boots are destroyed though.
I'm just getting like knockback, so like, no, you had thorns, so I just kept going past. And it slowed me down.
What did you have?
I had protection 4, 3,
Okay, can I get a new set of armor? Because my new set of armor is like practically destroyed. What? What? No. That's fair. Hey, Season. Oh. Season. Season. Can I have a new set of armor?
Wait, don't I get promoted? Because you said one more mission.
What am I, a private?
Yeah, you're a private. I'm
I'm Lieutenant.